is belonging from originally from Kurundwad, and they have they want to keep themselves active in that territory. Then I thought that it's an opportunity. Then I contacted VG, Dr. VG with saying that I'm from your territory. Then I have a software company, and I trust that you like people who are establishing their career in Kolhapur, Kurundwad, Sangli, and all these places. So I submitted my profile and everything. Then I searched out the people there, and I talked with the VG by the assistant that who are the doctors from this place to whom I can refer to VG sir. Then I came across with 2-3 doctors. I met them. I said that can you talk to VG sir, saying that I am a good person and I have my existence from like last 6 years, 5 years in the technology. And ultimately Dr. VG Vaidya had given me a good opportunity to demonstrate the product. And it was a first demonstration from Manorama with the 40 people in a conference hall on a projector. And I was struggling with the demo part. Then the exercise in front of mirror, in front of the team, that how we are going to demonstrate the product. Then we took up 4-5 laptops, considering that we will give a direct effect of ERP. This is a reception desk, this is a pharmacy counter, this is a billing counter. And that time we demonstrated the product. And ultimate result was that they were established that time with the 21st century solution and was having some problem with the solution. And Dr. VG Vaidya gave me an opportunity to computerize the first hospital, then the second hospital, then the third hospital, and within 2 years of a span, the complete Lokmanya group associated with Manorama.
Ashwini, very nice story, very inspirational. I have a couple of questions for you. Can you give us a sense of cost differential between Kolhapur and the tier 1 cities that you can actually use to your advantage? That's the first question. Second question, I would like to know more about your future vision. Where do you want to go from here? I think you touched base upon a few points on that. But I mean, that's like playing the big league, you know, and then what do you need to do to prepare yourself to play the test match versus, you know, what you have been doing so far? Because you will be encountering significantly larger players when you look at the global market moving forward, even within India in the tier 1 cities, etc. So what are your thoughts? What's your vision? And what is the action plan to realize that vision?
Let me handle this question, but yeah, definitely Manorama's vision is very firm, and I am stick upon that I want to keep myself active minimum for 3 to 5 years again in a healthcare domain. Because if we look at globally, and if we consider a country, if we compare the country-wise healthcare solution platform, then we are lacking behind with major perspective from the healthcare segment. Even if we look at the Gulf territory, they are trying to adopt a highest technology involvement in the healthcare protocol. So if my vision to keep Manorama more focusing on the healthcare segment, definitely would like to associate with the good marketing team to expand the business. If it is not in the Manorama's future plan, then definitely we will take care of expansion on our own and try to focus at least for the complete UAE, Marghar and all that territory. Still I haven't planned for US market, but if we are focusing on the Obama's last speech about the expansion and all these things, he was completely focusing on the healthcare and the insurance segment. When they talk about the healthcare and the insurance segment, there is a huge opportunity for an outsourcing job for India, especially for the healthcare, because we have the medical facility also equipped with us. Even the medical tourism will always add advantage for India. Only if we want to progress in that particular line, we have to equip with the technology with the WHO norms. a small example that if US says that it's unstable angina, there is a specific code, it's an international code for diagnosis, which they have to declare, and Indian market also have to follow that structure. So as per my understanding, there is a huge market for healthcare. Now we have to concentrate on that, whether it's our capacity of our own shoulder, or we require hands to come together, helping hands to come together and give us a support for the expansion. Other way around, it's our own call to handle the issues. Coming back to your second question about the price tag. In domestic market, on our own as a Manorama, we direct deal only with the Pune market. For rest of the geography of India, that specifically Hyderabad, then Chennai, and other Andhra Pradesh, other territories, that we have our own implementation partner appointed in that case, who are quite capable to give the first level service support to their territory or that specific region. So the cost factor never hampered on us until and unless it's a government body. Definitely when there is a call for the government order or the tender, then it's a difficult call for us also.
Oh, I meant your cost. So for example, people cost in Kolhapur, are they significantly lower than Pune, Mumbai, etc.? So do you pay, do you need to pay the same kind of salaries?
Yeah, definitely. If it is on a startup phase, then definitely you have a great advantage to remain in Kolhapur, because initially even the organization or the company also in the trial and error phases. So taking freshers, get the work done from them, it's a easy call, and it's again a cost effective. But if you look at the vice versa, when you have an international product in your hand and you are dealing with the complete overseas customer, and you are not getting a single expertise from that Kolhapur market, it was a very difficult part, and you have to spend a huge amount to relocate the people with their expertise, with their experience to Kolhapur. So if it is a, I can share with you that if it is a startup unit, then definitely the upcoming cities are always advantage. But when you grow, then definitely it's an equal platform, that whatever the companies are spending in Pune or the metros, then equally we have to share the same cost for all these exercises. Yeah, only we can say that we can able to save the infrastructure cost, because we don't have the so good lifestyle, and even the resources don't expect the lifestyle like an
Yeah, again, naturally the next point is about your cloud computing and those kind of things. Do you have a hosted solutions vision where you could take two approaches? One is get into the Mercedes and the BMW kind of markets and fight with the big people. The other is have a Tata Nano kind of a solution where there is a huge number of these clinics and all which also need these services for maintaining patient records and billing and all these things. So naturally anybody would expect that there is a hosted solution where you pay per subscription or something like that. So could you share something about that?
Yeah, actually I missed out when Nandita ji, you asked about the tipping point. So as a technology backbone, we made available Manorama with all new technical concept, like we have an application hosting on a cloud with us. We are planning to start with the SaaS application. Even we have started a mobile application on Android new version 3.0, and we are willing to share that application with the customized platform based with our integrated with our HR solution. So recently we launched that application and getting appreciated with our existing customer, because doctor able to know that which nurses stand near to which patient and all that easy method to give the services to their critical patient. But so technically we have made ourselves capable, but again the problem is that the technology which are coming or flashing in the market, where really it is utilized for that specific domain, it's really a challenging call for specifically this segment. Like hosting the application on a SaaS, it's useful only for a small clinic. If we look at the small clinic and if we look at the commercial platform, doctors are not willing to share their confidential data on the internet. That is a major problem we are facing. Again, there is a legal terminologies which we have always need to consider while developing the application, that when you click on the left hand and dictated for the X-ray for the left hand, it